Hey guys, what's up? And it's Special 557 on YouTube. Today I'm going to do a review of my hat. It turned 1 year old 4 months ago. So, Mittens. And her name is Mittens, like I just said. And Mittens likes to be on the porch. Mittens. Hello, Mittens. Say hi to the camera. That's rude, Mittens. I just have a charger right there. Tablet's going on outside. So Mittens is a female, which is a girl. And she had babies. She had 4 babies, but we had to give them away because she was having a problem with her stomach and it was getting her lots of pain. So, and of course she's a cat. 4 legs, and I bet you know what cats are like, so I don't have to explain that. She has food,
and then you let go.
water.
Yeah,
And that's my dad and my sister talking. She's just riding her bike. Mittens. See? Those pink things, if you saw them, I hope you guys saw that. She had 4, so she had 4 of those things, so she was having trouble with them, so she's a week and a one. She lives outside, but she's eventually sneaks inside. Because, Shiloh. Oh, whatever. And she was peeing too much and pooping too much all over the floor and carpet. So that's how she got herself outside. And guys, new update. I can do my videos up to 14 minutes long. I'm sorry, but I can't do it. I can only do it on this tablet, which I got my accounts easily on, because they're so easy. Oh guys, also got an update, 3 subscribers. So I hope you guys subscribe and leave a like. Oh my gosh, there's like flies, mosquitoes everywhere. I thought we had a wasp nest in Okay guys. Oh, sorry about the wire there. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Mittens, I hope you're